What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Zach. It's time for a Luna Classic price prediction. We're going to talk about if we're ready to kind of flip and maybe start getting back to a green candlestick. And we're actually working on a daily green candlestick right now. Luna Classic is up about 2%. We're sitting at the 29131 level at the time of this recording. We are down a little bit in the last month, about 23%. But when you zoom into the last week, we're up about 3% in the last 3 months, still up 165%. Last 6 months, up 184%. We're going to get into some of the resistance lines and support lines here in a minute, but I want to take you inside the technicals here on TradingView. And it's kind of an interesting story. The oscillators are pretty neutral. The summary still is a buy, which is good. The moving averages are a little bit all over the place. So depending on which time frame you look at, when you look at the 10-day simple moving average, it's a sell. But here's the thing, 20-day, the EMA is a sell, but the SMA is a buy. And when you look at a longer time frame into the 50 and 100 and those sort of things, those are still indicating a buy. So we have four sells, 8 buys, which adds up to an overall buy signal right now on Luna Classic. And when we zoom into the one-day charts, guys, you can see we're actually just consolidating. We've been here before in late September at the 2.7. We went up a little bit, touched up here at the 3.5, 3.6. We might be able to go retest this. This will be our level to retest back up here at the 3.7. We'll get into that here in just a minute with the article. So nice to see a little green candlestick working there on the day chart. Now let's jump in. What's the next thing we're looking for? Well, here's the thing. The relative strength index, which you can find right here on the chart, it's pretty neutral. See that? It's close to 50 down here. This is 50. This is pretty flat, pretty even. As that trends in that 50 territory, that's a very neutral RSI, which basically indicates that buyers and sellers have kind of agreed to a price point right now. Now, the support to the downside is there around the 3025 area. We don't want to go retest it if we don't have to, obviously, as well as around September 26th low of that 18 range where we dipped heavily, right? On September 26th. That's our next line of support if we were to break down lower than that 2.5 level. Now, what about to the upside? Well, the high point we reached on October 2nd of the 3037 range, which is right here on this candlestick right here, okay? That's our resistance to the upside, okay? And then again, our support is down here at the 2.5 range right here. And then, of course, we did dip down below into the 18 range. That would be our next line of support to the downside. So notably, both the 20 and 50-day moving average lines are now below the price and pointing up, indicating that Luna Classic remains in a clear uptrend on the daily chart. Again, here's that daily chart we were just looking at. When you look at that, guys, it's still relatively bullish, okay? Even with all the news and all this stuff going on with Quan, the community has done a nice job in terms of an investing standpoint of holding the line here, and we'll see kind of if and when we can break out of this. Now, despite the major crash, Luna Classic still has remained a top 50 token by market cap. We're currently ranked number 31 over there on CoinMarketCap's ranking. In terms of trading volume right now, it's the 10th most traded crypto over the past 24 hours with a volume of $363 million. The stablecoin Tether is number 1 right now with a volume of $37 billion. So that's what I've got for you here in this Luna Classic price prediction video. Hopefully you learned something. Let me know what you think about it, where we're heading next. And again, currently we're at that 2.9. I'd love to get back into the 3s here. That would be nice. Also, if you ever want to break away from crypto a little bit, learn more about entrepreneurship, business, starting businesses, taking a chance at financial freedom, because really you only achieve financial freedom when you break away from the 9-to-5. If that's something that interests you, we've got a new YouTube channel and a new podcast, my friend and I, Austin Hilton. The link to the Twitter is down below in the description. There on the Twitter, you'll find a link to the YouTube page. We'll soon be live on all major audio formats as well. So thank you all so much for tuning in. I appreciate it. I will see you all in the next video. See you next time. Bye.